So I'm Kyle Mann. I'm work for Corporate Services UK, and I'm the executive chef at Diageo Park Royal in northwest London. So the event is the Global Chef Programme, which is my first time doing it. It's been a fantastic experience so far, as well as it is for you guys. It's a big thing for us as well in the UK.
My name is Thierry Lemaitre. I come from France. I was born near Paris, and since 20 years I live in Britain. I work at Paris at the Royal Monceau Hotel with a big one chef, Maître Ouvrier de France, Gabriel Biscay. After I go to Reims, chez Boyer-les-Crayères, 3 macarons Michelin.
I'm chef from Sodexo for company Johnson & Johnson. Yes, it's a global chef, very experienced. I have a wife, Marquette, and I have 2 sons, 5 years and 3 years in Czech.
My name is Zygmunt, I'm from in Poland. And Polish kitchen, and schabowy, pork, and potatoes, Polish potatoes, and mushroom and cheese, pork and myśliwski sauce, and bacon, sausage.
Sonic, and I'm a freshman at Marquette, and I come from Polish heritage, so it was really cool getting to eat food that I grew up around because I've been really missing it.